Hey everyone, it's Sebastian here, Candle Business Pro. In this video, I'm going to show you the brand new ToAuto 30-liter wax melter. Now, I usually don't get too excited about new items in the candle space, right? Vessels we get excited about, oils we get excited about, not generally our tools that we get excited about that we're making our candles with. But this thing is a massive game changer. I'm going to explain to you why I absolutely love this melter over all the other melters that we have. Now, we have lots of melters. We start with a Digiboil. We have a couple of melters from Makesy that are a couple different sizes. We have a Cougar Elite. We've gone through tons of wax melters since we started. I mean, remember, we started, in our kitchen table. We have a Presto Pot. I actually have a Presto Pot back there that we will just scoop out when we have to make like a specialty unique wax candle with, right? So we've used all of them. This one is different for a few different reasons. So let's go into it. So first of all, I want to introduce you to it. It just came out. I'm super thrilled about it. This is it. This is the ToAuto 30-liter wax melter. For comparison, I have the 15-liter out here next to it. So as far as height goes, it's only going to be a little bit taller than it, but it's definitely wider. So it's definitely a wider wax melter. So I'm going to get this one out of the way. This has been our favorite wax melter forever. For a year and a half, we've been using these in all three of my stores. We absolutely love these. What I like about them is the compact size, but it holds, this is a 15-liter, so it's 30 pounds, 31 pounds of wax. That means it's going to give us 68-ounce candles, just for comparisons. So we absolutely love this. We have one for our regular soy wax, for our coconut soy wax, and then also for our wax no wax. So we use a lot of these melters, and we absolutely love them. But let me get this one out of the way. But I did want you to see for comparison, for size. So this one here is a beast. It's absolutely fantastic. We tested it out, make sure that it had all the things that we want in a wax melter. Let me talk about a couple of the things that we love about this. Okay, so it comes with this really nice heavy duty lid here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get that out of the way for a moment. Nothing too exciting about lids, but this one is great to have here. Now this one's not gonna be quite as portable as the 15-liter, just because it's bigger, right? And in reality, this holds so much wax that if you've got wax in this thing, you're not gonna be able to move it that easily. So for comparison, think about a box of wax. Let me show you how we get our boxes of wax in our shop. This big thing, this is a 45 pound box of wax. I'm out of breath. So that's a 45-pound box of wax that we get them shipped in on pallets to us with. This thing will hold 60 pounds. Actually a little bit more than 60 pounds because it's a 30-liter. So it's going to hold a little over 60 pounds of wax. So well over a box of wax will fit into here. That's going to be 120 8-ounce candles. So for instance, this is our standard candle that we have in our shop here. This is a 7-ounce. So we're going to be able to pour over 130 of these inside of this wax melter. So now that we've talked about size, let me talk about a few of the things that I love about it. Okay, so first let's talk about just on and off. So this is a digital. It has a digital display on here, which is fantastic. Turning it off and on, you can actually push down on the set button for 3 seconds, and it will turn it from Celsius to Fahrenheit. So just a little tip there. If you receive this based on where you're at, if you're in the US and you're going to go off of the metrics of Fahrenheit instead of Celsius, if it comes to you in Celsius, just hold that down for 3 seconds. It'll flip right over, and vice versa if you're elsewhere. So that is this, and the digital display obviously makes it easy to get to the exact temperature that you're wanting. Now, I will preface with any wax melter that you buy, does not matter what company you buy it from. Even though you're going to set this to a specific temperature, you're always going to want to make sure you stir up the wax before you start making your candles, because the heating element on one of these type of melters is always going to be, on the bottom here. So the heating element is at the bottom here. So when I set this to say 187 degrees, which is what we do our soy wax candles at, if I set this at 187 degrees, when this gets to 187 degrees, it'll cut off. But sometimes the wax on the top won't be the same. And that's going to be with any melter that you get, because you don't have a heating element up here. It's not taking the temperature up here. So ToAuto has given us the most amazing spatula. silicone spatula to stir this with, which is fantastic because something this large, something like my other melters that I have that are really big, it doesn't come with anything. So I've got these really long spoons and then it doesn't work. They have provided us with this. It's fantastic. It comes with this melter so that you can give it a stir and make sure that you got the temperature where you want it to be. Sometimes we have to set our temperatures up a little bit. So don't feel like the thermostat is off based on your results. So for us, if we want our wax on one of our other melters to be at 187, sometimes we'll set it at like 191, I think is what it's set at. So we know when it's coming out, it's gonna be that's the right temperature. The good thing is once you get, this is another tip for you, once you get your melter to the temperature that you want it to be, whatever that is, what we like to do is we have all of our wax melters on a smart outlet. So we just turn the outlet on and off. And so it knows the temperature so that the temperature stays the same, if that makes sense there. So when we come in, we just turn it on. It knows exactly where to go. And then we always turn it off. It's also a nice safety tip because here in our store, we've got 3 of our shops now. It's just like, I remember my mom would always talk about oh, did I leave the curling iron on, right? We would have that all the time here. Like, oh, did we leave the wax melter on? If you put your melters on a smart timer, you can control it from your phone through an app. It's easy. Amazon sells those things for like $20 now. They've gotten really cheap. So anyways, back to this melter and why I love it so much. So not only, I wish they would give us more of these. I want them to send me some of these. I'll buy the spatula by itself. It's massive. It is a massive spatula. So enough about that though. The steel, the metal outlet here that the spout that the wax comes out of is fantastic. They also give you one of these really nice pitchers. It's actually very, very nice pitcher. One of the best things about this melter over other is we don't have to raise this up on anything else because it will actually, you can get your pitcher underneath it. So many wax melters out on the market, you have to get a stand to put it on top of. With this, you don't have to because you can get your pitcher underneath it. That's what I love about it. Same with the other sizes that they have. So it's not just exclusive to this. With the other sizes, they have that as well. So that's fantastic. This metal holds in the heat as well. The casing for this, so the insulation on this has worked fabulous. When the temperature gauge cuts off because it's got the temperature with a lot of other melters, 10 minutes later it turns back on. And then it cuts off and then 10 minutes later turn back on. And that's because it's not regulating the heat because it's not insulated. This thing does a really, really good job at doing that. So that's what I really like about that. The handles on the side of this here are metal. So you can move this as you need. It's nice that they have 2 of them. So it's sturdy. I'm confident in moving this. And the handle's not popping off like some on others that are plastic or something. But I definitely wouldn't recommend moving this once you have melted wax in it. Okay, so one of the things that ToAuto does that is absolutely fantastic that I do not see with a lot of other wax melters is having a bottom pour spout opening. Now, what I mean by that is, for instance, I have this $3,000 over here on this other side here. I have a $3,000 wax melter here that it holds a little bit more wax than this. But what it doesn't do is it has a spout out the side, but the bottom of the melter is here. So I have this much space of wax that just never comes out. So then you're collecting particles and dust and dirt at the bottom there rather than always having fresh going through. With this, and this is with the majority of ToAuto melters, they have a bottom spout opening. What I mean by that, I'm actually going to pick this up and bring this to you. If you can see, on the bottom is where the hole is, the opening. So the wax is coming out. It's coming out, going down and then out like this, rather than just going out the side where you're going to have space. It's going down, out, down the bottom and then out. That's what makes this melter superior over all these other melters. It is a combination of this stuff. So not only is the size bigger than anything out there until you're getting up to that professional, spending well over $1,500 now for a melter. If you're going to go larger than like the 15 liter, if you're going to go larger than that, until this melter just came out, you were going from a $200 melter to a $1,500 melter. There was nothing in the middle. This wax melter here gives us the size that we need, but it's still not that expensive compared to spending, $1,500 on a melter. If you can get this melter for less than $400, like that's going to be a game changer for a lot of businesses. So this is going to be fantastic. It's going to grow with you for a really long time until you're getting up to, I mean, we have 3 stores. We have 140 wholesale accounts. Like we are cranking out a lot of candles now. This is all we would need for our business, is having this in our shop rather than the other ones that I thought we were going to need. So I highly recommend this. Let me go back over a couple of the features. Obviously the size, it's going to hold over 60 pounds. So over 120 of our 8-ounce candles. So that's exciting that you don't have to keep pausing to throw in more wax and then letting it heat up and all of that, right? It's got this, it has a spout that's high enough so that your pitcher gets underneath it. That's fantastic. So you don't have to put this up on anything, because that would be dangerous, putting up a wax melter, on something else. So the width of this being what it is, you don't have any chance of this thing tipping over, which is fantastic as well. The digital display that goes from Celsius to Fahrenheit very easily. And then my favorite thing is having that bottom drain for the spout so that you are not leaving any wax in here whenever you're making your candles. So then you're not allowing dust particles and dirt and all of that to collect at the bottom. So, and being less than $400, literally, you will not find another melter of this size for that price. You're going to get up to $1,500 for a wax melter if you're going to go larger than, say, like the 15-liter bag that I have back there. So that's why I love this so much, because I go from a 15-liter to having this other one over here that we spent so many thousands on, that to get to the next level up. This is that perfect middle of the road. It has all the stuff, and quite frankly, it's made by ToAuto, which we absolutely love the quality. Like that's why we have so many of those other ones in all of our shops. It's just because the quality is there and the price is right. So if you're thinking about a wax melter, I obviously would recommend starting with something like they've got an 8-liter, a 10-liter, and a 15-liter. Those are going to be the stand-up ones that you see over here, and you actually probably see my other one back over in that corner there of it. So I would recommend those if you're just starting out. You're going to get those for $150 or less, even for those, absolutely. But if you get to that next level of really needing to crank out a lot of candles at once, you're starting to do wholesale accounts and things like that, this is going to be the melter that is going to sustain your business, and it's going to last a long time. Their service is great. If you ever have any issues with ToAuto, I personally never had an issue with them, but sometimes people will have questions. No, I know their customer service is really well, because I worked with their team to, what was great about ToAuto is they had reached out to us and said, hey, you've bought a lot of these melters. Thank you so much. Like, would you like to sit down for a conversation to talk about some of the features that you'll love? Why do you like us so much? Why do you like these melters? So we had that conversation. So it was great to help them and give them what my wants and needs were for them to create a melter. And so here it is. So I'm super excited to have worked with them on this. If you have any questions at all, leave them in the comments below, and I will be happy to answer them for you. So thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.